Technical interviews are broken. The anxiety creates a barrier that the talent often can't cross, especially for non native English speakers. What if you could practice with a senior architect or any other desired role with using AWS Nova Gen AI technology, anytime, anywhere? Let me to present you Nova Voice Coach. Let's go. It is a Nova Voice Coach platform, the platform that I created for anyone who wants to practice technical interviews. How you can see, here is the basic frontend, and I created using a Quasar framework, a micro framework of Vue.js. And the idea is that the user puts inside the inputs his name, select the target role, the text stacks, and the language that we will be able to test the interviews based on the Nova documentation. When the user starts the interview, immediately we will be able to start to converse with Nova Sonic. Hello.
Hello, Alejandro. Welcome. Let's get started. To begin, can you explain the key differences between EC-DOS, ECS, and key chaos on, and provide a brief example of when you might choose one over the others?
For example, I some case use EC2 to create virtual machines to deploy my workloads inside of it.
Okay, Alejandro, that's a good start. You mentioned using EC-DOS for virtual machines, which is correct. Can you now differentiate ECS and EKS more clearly and give specific scenarios where you choose ECS versus EKS? For example, what factors would influence that decision?
Okay, for example, both are the orchestrator containers, but EKS is more agnostic than the ECS. ECS requires less learning curve than EKS.
Right, you're on the right track. EKS is indeed more agnostic as it's Kubernetes-based and can run on multiple clouds or even on premises, while ECS is AWS native and tightly integrated with EC2.
And finally, after the interview, we will be able to see the overall score that is created by Nova 2 Lite, analyzing the transcription of the interview and give us our recommendations and the areas that we need to improve. And there's two recommendation to create or to practice in the future with a better way.